on your defense a little. Keep your guard higher. That was good. That was good. Put a hook behind the right hand. 1 minute. Again. So you let him off the hook right when you should have threw another 3-piece. You should have threw another 2 or 3 shots right there. Don't hold your breath. Make sure you're breathing. Uppercuts when he bends down. Non-stop working. Once you get him on the ropes-ish, stay on him. Smother him. Smother him. Just swarm him right now. Just swarm him. Yeah, exactly. Lay on him. Lean on him too, ish. Work on that inside game. You know what I mean? Lean on him. Yeah. Make him tired. 20 seconds. And then when he's leaning on you, Caleb, shift on him. Shift on him. Put your hand on his shoulder. Pivot around him. Okay. Lean back on him and pivot. Close your mouth. 5 seconds. Time. Good job.